In this video, we will see how to add multi-measure output to report after the inspections. Let's measure multiple circles. As we can see in the previous tutorials, we can use the measuring object list function. Select the features, measure, and confirm measurement. There are two ways to add multiple measures to the report. First, pick up the single features. Here you can see the selected features. Then, open the measuring window. Input tolerances values. Alternatively, you can select the features from the hierarchical selection window. Stay tuned to see more tutorials of TouchDMIS.